Australian households are charging forward into a renewable energy future. We've reached the highest per capita rate of residential rooftop solar systems in the world. But when it comes to commercial and industrial scale solar, Australia is lagging way behind. Why is this huge opportunity being ignored? It's the electricity grid itself that's the major stumbling block in Australia and around the world. Our 20th century energy grids were designed as one-way systems, with energy from large power plants flowing in one direction to our homes and businesses. Today, we're asking them to work as two-way or multi-directional grids. And the high amounts of surplus solar energy sent from rooftops into the grid are creating voltage regulation problems. That's why networks in Australia typically cap the maximum amount of solar that can be exported from a suburb at 15% of a substation's capacity. When this threshold is reached, restrictions apply. This leaves no room for commercial and industrial rooftop solar installations to be larger than required for on-site needs, effectively imposing a zero export limit. As any surplus solar electricity is wasted, the return on investment for these potential solar power stations is greatly reduced. So how do we solve this problem and reach our full potential to generate cheap, clean solar energy right where it's needed? One response is to spend billions of dollars upgrading the grid, which would significantly increase electricity prices for all consumers. But there's a better solution. Planet Arc Power's game-changing technology delivers a massive increase in the network's capacity to accept and distribute exported rooftop solar energy. It comes at no cost to the grid or taxpayers. The cost is borne by companies that can now fill their roofs with solar and enjoy a much greater return on investment. Our world-leading technology uses artificial intelligence behind the meter to fix voltage problems at the source. It ensures voltage remains within statutory limits and safeguards the stability and integrity of the electricity grid. Planet Arc Power's technology is a compact, cost-effective, behind-the-meter market solution, allowing networks to remove export restrictions and radically improving the return on investment of large rooftop solar systems. Planet Arc Power ensures a sustainable future for the electricity grid, long-term revenue streams for businesses, and cheaper, greener electricity for all.